Good morning all. Last day we have studied about separable differential equation. A differential equation which can be separated into m of x dx equal to n of y dy form. By integration of both sides we will get the solution. This is separable differentiable equation, and we have done the solution of homogeneous differential equation which can be reducible into separable form by substituting v equal to y by x and dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now we have the equations of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus l divided by k into ax plus by plus m. Here we have to substitute for u equal to ax plus by. We can substitute this value and we can convert it into separable differential equation. Now we have two problems for that. Next form is miscellaneous type. In this type, certain equations can be transformed into separable differential equation by appropriate substitution. We have an example for that. Now let's move to the problem of this type 2 problem, that is the equations of the form ax plus by plus l divided by k into ax plus by plus m. First problem is to solve 2x minus 4y plus 5 into y dash plus x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. We can write the given differential equation into y dash is equal to, we can change the second part of the equation, minus of x plus 2y plus 3. Now we can divide these terms, 2x minus 4y plus 5. Now this equation we could write as minus of x minus 2y plus 3 divided by 2 into x minus 2y plus 5. Now we can substitute, let u is equal to x minus 2y, differentiate with respect to x. We get du by dx is equal to 1 minus 2 dy by dx. Or we can shift dy by dx to this side, then it becomes 2 dy by dx is equal to 1 minus du by dx. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx. Substitute the value of u and dy by dx in terms of u in the given differential equation. We get, so that we could write the dy by dx, the equation is dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus 2y. We could write that 3x minus 2y. We could write that thing in minus 3 divided by 2 into x minus 2y plus 5. Now we substitute the values, that is 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx is equal to minus u minus 3 divided by 2u plus 5. Now we could change the given differential equation in variable separable form. So this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 du by dx is equal to minus u minus 3 by 2u plus 5. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 du by dx is equal to minus u minus 3 by 2u plus 5 minus 1 by 2, which implies minus 1 by 2 du by dx is equal to, we can take the LCM in the right hand side, 2 into 2u plus 5, which is equal to 2 into minus u minus 3 minus 1 into 2u plus 5, which is equal to minus 2u minus 3 minus 2u minus 5, which is equal to minus 4u minus 2u minus 2u. Next minus 6 minus 5, which is minus 11 into 2 into 2u plus 5 minus 1 by 2 du by dx. Now du by dx is equal to, which implies du by dx is equal to, we can change this minus 1 by 2 to top. So this becomes minus of 2 by 1, minus 2 into minus 4u minus 11 by 2 into 2u plus 5. So 2 cancels, minus of that is 4u plus 11 by 2u plus 5. That is, which implies 2u plus 5 by 4u plus 11 du is equal to dx. This is in the variable separable form. We can integrate both sides to get the solution. For to integrate this thing, we have 2u plus 5, 4u plus 11, both are in same degree. So we can divide 2u plus 5 by 4u plus 11. So the equation becomes, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4u is 2u. 1 by 2 into 11 is 11 by 2. So 5 minus 11 by 2 is 1 by 2. So this we could write 2u plus 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4u plus 11 minus 1 by 2. So this we could write 1 by 2 into 4u plus 11 minus 1 by 2 divided by 4u plus 11 is equal to integral dx. Now we can divide the 4u plus 11. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 4u plus 11 by 4u plus 11 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4u plus 11 is equal to integral dx. Now the both 1 by 2 terms, we can take that term to numerator, that is integral of 1 minus 1 by 4u plus 11 du is equal to integral 2 dx. Miss du here, du. That is u minus log 4u plus 11 divided by 4 is equal to 2x plus c. Now we have to resubstitute for u. Here u is equal to x minus 2y. So the solution is x minus 2y minus log 4 into x minus 2y plus 11 divided by 4 is equal to 2x plus c. We can multiply 4 to both sides of the equation. So the equation becomes 4x minus 8y minus log into log of modulus of 4 into x minus 2a, 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 8x plus some we can write k, where k is equal to 4c is the solution. Do the second problem given in the notes as an exercise. In type 3, we can reduce the given differential equation to separable form by giving appropriate substitution. Let here put x square y square is equal to u. Then differentiate with respect to x. We get, in the left hand side we have product rule. X square into derivative of y square is 2y y dash, or 2y y dash is equal to u dash. X square 2y y dash plus y square 2x 2 is equal to du by dx or u dash. Which implies 2x square y dash is equal to u dash minus 2x y square. Substitute in the given equation. That is u dash minus 2xy square 2x square is equal to tan u minus 2xy square. So 2xy square and 2xy square cancels. That is u dash is equal to tan u, or du by dx is equal to tan u. Now we can cross multiply this term. So du by tan u is equal to dx, or cot u du is equal to dx. Now this is in variable separable form, so we can integrate both sides. We get integral of cot u du is equal to integral dx. Integral cot u is log sin u, so ln sin u is equal to x plus, we can write ln c instead of c. In one side it is ln is there, so we could write ln c. So now take exponentials. So sin u is equal to c e raised to x. Now u equal to x square y square. That is sin x square y square is equal to c e raised to x, since u equal to x square y square is the solution.